Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5209 Tellier Road in Newark.
Welcome to this nature's paradise. This country Cape Cod home has been updated to perfection with over 4 scenic acres.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This home is perfect for entertaining with a highly desirable open floor plan. Featuring a great room with a newer white and bright kitchen with soft close cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an expansive center island breakfast bar. Open to the dining and living area with great natural light. All with newer heated tile floors, deck access, and scenic country views.
Enjoy exceptional size and space with 2 first-floor bedrooms, including this owner's bedroom with country views, and an updated bathroom with heated floors, plus 2 more second-floor bedrooms and a second full bathroom, perfect for family and guests.
Enjoy country living with the peaceful sounds of nature. On over 4 acres with an expansive deck overlooking the sprawling backyard and charming pond. Complemented by beautiful landscaping, mature trees, and hiking trails. What a relaxing place to live. Newark provides an easy commute, located in the crossroads between Rochester and Syracuse.
Rob, this is a great place.
Yes, the village of Newark has great restaurants and shops, and the port of Newark, located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5209 Tellier Road in Newark.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.